Just have a listen to this for a minute. Guess where we are? Central Las Americas. Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in a complex called El Dorado in Central Las Americas. All the restaurants and everything outside, and you've got this pleasant view behind us with the birds tweeting. You've got the bathroom, you've got the first of the 2 bedrooms into the kitchen lounge area, and this would have been the original bedroom. And then out here, got a lovely balcony with this view as well. There's a swimming pool on the complex here, the tennis court, a really nice place to live. So that's our 2-bedroom converted from a 1-bedroom apartment, right in the centre, but a really tranquil type feel with that nice view there of the pine trees. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com.